we have been told that artificial intelligence robot will one day कम फॉर आवर जॉब। हमें ये अक्सर बताया गया है कि वन डे ह्यूमन जॉब विल बी रिप्लेस बाय आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस जॉब, लेकिन ऐसा लगता है कि लॉज मेकर, पार्लियामेंटेरियन सबसे पहले अपनी जॉब खोएंगे। व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, people in some countries want to replace their laws maker, parliamentarian with artificial intelligence robot. Especially in China, more than 75% people have voted to replace some of their parliamentarian laws maker with artificial intelligence robot. So Chinese parliamentarian laws maker will be the first one to lose their job in a large number. In a recent study, it is shown that people in 11 countries want to replace some of their laws maker parliamentarian with robot artificial intelligence if they will be given chance. In a recent study, 66% people in Spain, 59% people in Italy, 69% people in UK, 54% people in Germany and many more countries wants to replace their parliamentarian with artificial intelligence robot. Mostly Europeans are unhappy with their human laws maker and they want to replace their laws maker with the artificial intelligence robot and they want complete transparency. So guys, आपको क्या लगता है कि इंडिया में भी ऐसा कोई लॉज मेकर आना चाहिए, ऐसा आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस बेस्ड लॉज मेकर आना चाहिए ताकि हमारे कंट्री में कंप्लीट ट्रांसपेरेंसी हो? एंड गाइस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग एंड व्हाट यू थिंक अबाउट दिस आइडिया ऑफ रिप्लेसिंग ह्यूमन लॉज मेकर विथ AI? Make sure you comment your thought in the comment section below and let me know. And guys, if you are on my channel for the very first time, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification. Thank you so much for watching.